Hi ate, happy anniversary! Pasensya na, wala talaga yung song na request mo. So, hindi kasi nakisama yung computer, hindi rin as in wala akong downloader. Ayun, I'm just trying my best to give your request. Kaso talagang hindi kaya eh. So, ito na lang yung napili ko for you and kuya. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Konting lines lang. This is one of my favorite songs so far na bagay sa mga couples like you. Okay? My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Loves your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give you all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose someone. 'Cause I give you all of me. I give you all. Okay, tama na yon. Huwag masyadong ma-overwhelmed. Tuloy natin yan pag uwi nyo. Happy Monthsary po sa inyong dalawa. Sana magtagal kayo. No, hindi magtagal. I expected the two of you to be forever. At huwag kayong aangal. Kailangan maging forever kayo kahit anong mangyari. Ayun, happy mot-mot. Idol ko kayo kasi masyado na kayong matagal. At saka basta. I love you guys. Ayun, wala na akong masabi. Ayun, basta. Happy mot-mot sa inyo. Stay in love and keep the flame. Keep your love for each other burning like a flame. Laging ganyan ang wish ko sa mga nagmumutmot. So, sana mapanatili ninyo yung kung anong meron kayo ngayon. Masaya ako para sa inyo at malungkot din ako pag magiging malungkot kayo. Ayun. See you on March. Happy mot-mot. Mama. Okay. Bye-bye.